So historically, Supreme has been a brand that's been pretty hard to cop manually. A lot of the time it's basically taken over by bots during the drops. And so far this year, I've had limited success in some of the hype items. I did manage to cop Supreme Shadow T and also Supreme Air Force Ones in the white colourway. Now the most sought after item on Supreme is a BOGO or a box logo, either a t-shirt or a hoodie or anything like that. And recently there was a Tiffany BOGO t-shirt which was very hard to cop and I took an L. However, week 16 just passed and it was BOGO Hoodie week. And somehow I managed to cop. Hey, what's going on, Lukas here, back with another video. And today I'm checking out the Supreme BOGO hoodie that I managed to cop from week 16. Thanks for checking out the video. If you're new to the channel, please do subscribe and also hit that notification bell to be notified when I drop new content. And if you do like today's video, please give it a thumbs up as it really helps the channel grow. Now today I'm checking out a Supreme box logo hoodie which I managed to cop from week 16. Now for me this is all about timing. You know, traditionally I've been doing desktop and was taking pretty much L's. And I read in a couple of forums that, you know, try copying for Apple Pay on your phone. So week 16 comes, I get on my phone. The page initially didn't load and then I got a notification that the site had been updated, so I closed the app, reopened the app, and I saw the box logo hoodie, and personally I wanted the black one, but that actually sold out pretty much straight away. But I did manage to cop in the charcoal grey. I can't wait to see it in hand, so let's get to it. So here we have the packaging. It's a standard kind of Supreme packaging, nothing special. But what I want to see is what's inside. Oh, look at that. No BOGO sticker. Yeah. Oh, there's your BOGO sticker. As you get every Supreme release. So here we have the box logo hoodie in the charcoal grey colourway. Let's open this up. This is nice. Okay, pretty thick quality, I like this. Here we have the hoodie, so I'm just gonna hold it up. As you can see, the main detail is obviously the box logo. So you've got Supreme along the top in white writing on the red background. And then you've got the charcoal hoodie. And other than that, there's no other detailing. So here inside you have Supreme, you have the Supreme logo, white text on the red background. And I just noticed on top of the hood, it says 2021. So if you look, 2021 right there. Because obviously there have been the Supreme box logo hoodies before, but they obviously want to distinguish it from, you know, previous releases, and I think that's a nice little touch. And obviously gives it a bit more exclusivity. So we'll try it on. So I like this. It's nice and roomy. For reference, I'm 6'6" and about 230 pounds, and this fits comfortably. You know, it's not tight at all. It's got a nice bit of give, so I like that. With my hoodies, you know, I tend to have them a little bit oversized, but not too tight, so kind of in between, and this definitely fits that bill. So obviously you've got your kangaroo pouch here, so as you can see just here. Let's put the hood up. Yeah, that's pretty good, I like that. Turn to the back. So you can see, it comes down to just below my waist, so that's pretty good, I like that. Yeah, fire, really happy to have this in hand. Again, can't believe I copped, to be honest. I know a lot of people took L's that day, so really happy to get this in hand. So I copped this in an extra large, it was £163 in total. But again, you're paying for the name and obviously the exclusivity of the hoodie, but I definitely think it's worth it. So in terms of resale, it's actually going for about double what I paid for it, so definitely happy to have this in hand because I said resale is pretty crazy. And that's kind of the case with a lot of Supreme stuff. So did you manage to cop, or did you take an L on week 16? Let me know in the comment section down below. I really appreciate any feedback. So thanks for checking out the video. If this is the kind of content you want to see, you know, unboxings, sneaker pickups, just general streetwear culture, reviews, etc. Please do subscribe and also hit that notification bell to be notified when I drop new content. If you do like the video, please give it a thumbs up as it really helps the channel grow. And until next time, take it easy. I'll see you in the next video.